Welcome viewers. Are you interested in different hobbies? Today we will help you find a perfect hobby for you. We have hobbies that we do in our free time, but are those hobbies putting money in your pocket? Well, today, we are going to explore hobbies that can earn you extra cash spending. The recent economy has caused many professionals to consider taking on more work for revenue, but also as a long-term backup plan. Many of us have been laid off or furloughed, and are looking for non-traditional ways to continue to provide for their families with profitable hobbies. Career coaching clients are encouraged to take time to think about tasks or hobbies that they enjoy to brainstorm career ideas. Some will be realistic, and, of course, some will not. However, this helps them begin to consider what elements they may want to have in a long-term career path, and sometimes there are practical ideas that are feasible as well. This exercise can be used to brainstorm side gigs or creative ways to make extra cash. Here are hobbies that can make you money. Catering. If cooking is your hobby, think about creating a simple menu to make food by order in your local area. For example, pizza dough, cookies or other baked goods or unique and healthy dishes that can be frozen could all be profitable. Tailor. If you are skilled with the sewing machine and know how to make skirts, dresses or even men's clothing, this is another hobby that can make you money. Again, advertising what you can make on social media or Etsy is an excellent place to start. Virtual assistant. If organizing is your hobby, you could get paid to organize someone else's tasks virtually. You can find short-term gigs or longer-term jobs on sites such as Upwork. Translation. If you speak another language, translating documents could be another way to make some extra cash and improve your skills. Social media management. For those who love using social media, there are small and large companies who need a social media manager, or even someone to schedule their posts for them online. Writing short stories. If you like to write, consider writing short stories or blog posts and selling them. Try out an editing job at a small publishing house or online media outlet. Tutoring. Are you an expert in a particular field, or do you speak a second language? You could be the tutor that someone is looking for. With more people at home, online learning is more popular than ever. And while there are online learning platforms with recorded classes, others prefer one-to-one courses with a live tutor. Writing reviews. If you enjoy rating and reviewing products, many companies will pay you for your honest opinion about their products. This can be a great way to make some extra cash to help with groceries and other necessary items. Pet sitter or dog walker. Do you like to exercise? Think about becoming a neighborhood dog walker. While a lot of people under the circumstances can be more active since they are home, others are working from home and helping their kids with their homeschooling, so they might not have as much time for their pets. Some people may simply need someone to play with their pet or care for them if someone in their household is ill. Crafts. Do you like to make things for others? Consider selling what you make online. Crafts could range from making jewelry to painting unique greeting cards or even handmade masks for those who need them during this time. More and more consumers are looking for ways to support local businesses and prefer a handcrafted item to something imported. Ask your family for their honest feedback, determine if what you make is unique enough to get noticed, and then try it. Create an Instagram account for your crafts, take good pictures and research the best hashtags to use. The pandemic has proven to be a difficult time for many. However, be cautious about signing up for websites that promise easy cash. This can be ineffective, and they could even be scams. Make sure to research the companies thoroughly before giving any personal information. Well, that was wonderful. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified of more beautiful videos ahead.